At just 18, Lamine Yamal has rewritten football's rulebook. Barcelona's youngest superstar lives in luxury, but stays grounded in faith and family. Today, we're diving into his millionaire lifestyle, his rumored romance, and the fortune he's building at an age when most are still in high school. The remarkable rise from Rochafonda to Camp Nou. Born July 13, 2007 in Esplugues de Llobregat, Lamine Yamal grew up between two modest worlds. His mother's small apartment in Granollers and his father's humble flat in Mataró. His roots traced to Morocco and Equatorial Guinea, but his identity was forged on the concrete fields of Catalonia. In Rochafonda, a working-class neighborhood filled with migrant dreams, a 4-year-old Yamal kicked his first ball with the fearlessness of destiny. His father, originally from Morocco, and his mother from Equatorial Guinea, worked hard to give him a simple but loving home. Football was his passion, his escape, and his destiny. By 6, FC Barcelona scouts had seen what others couldn't. A child with vision far beyond his years. By 7, Yamal had already caught the attention of Barcelona's La Masia Academy, the same academy that produced legends like Messi, Xavi, and Iniesta. At La Masia, the club's legendary academy, Yamal didn't just train, he transformed. While other boys chased drills, he chased rhythm, movement, and timing. Coaches said he played like he could already see the next frame of the match. By 15, he captained Catalonia's youth sides and carried the weight of a prophecy that a new light was coming to Camp Nou. That light arrived April 29, 2023. At only 15, Yamal made his debut against Real Betis, becoming Barcelona's youngest player in almost a century. One touch was enough. Fearless, precise, electric. A champion's calm in a teenager's body. Barcelona lifted La Liga that season, and a new name was whispered across Europe. The 2023-24 season turned whispers into headlines. At 16, Yamal's dazzling footwork and quiet composure made him the youngest scorer in La Liga history. His €1 billion release clause stunned the world, and comparisons to Messi became inevitable. Yet Yamal wasn't chasing ghosts. He was drawing new blueprints. He ended that season with 50 appearances, 7 goals, and a maturity that made even veterans nod in disbelief. Then came 2024-25, the transformation from promise to power. At 17, Yamal scored in both El Clasico and the Champions League semi-finals, leading Barcelona to a domestic treble. With 18 goals in 55 matches and a new number 10 shirt stitched to his chest, the same number once worn by Lionel Messi, Yamal became more than a prodigy. He became a pillar. His journey mirrored his rise with Spain. At 16, he debuted and scored in his first international match, the youngest in history. Euro 2024 crowned him the tournament's revelation with dazzling assists and a thunderous goal against France. A year later, he helped Spain lift the Nations League trophy, sealing his status as the face of a new generation. By 2025, with 100 club games, 23 national caps, and awards like the Copa Trophy and Golden Boy lining his shelf, Yamal's legend was no longer a question. It was a timeline in motion. But no one could have predicted that this humble kid would become Barcelona's youngest ever debutant and a national hero for Spain before even turning 17. The millionaire lifestyle, luxury with humility. Let's talk lifestyle, because Yamal's world has changed completely. In 2025, Yamal lives in Barcelona's elite neighborhood of Esplugues de Llobregat, where many of the club's top players, including Lewandowski and Ter Stegen, also reside. His home, sleek, modern, and secured, comes with panoramic city views, a private gym, a gaming room, and a luxury entertainment lounge for his close circle of friends and family. Despite his young age, Lamine's garage already screams football royalty. He's been spotted riding in a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, a BMW i8, and a Range Rover Velar. Gifts and endorsements courtesy of his skyrocketing fame. But here's what makes him special. He doesn't flaunt his riches. Yamal keeps a surprisingly low profile off the pitch, focusing on his craft and his family. The White Villa, a champion sanctuary, hidden within the ultra-exclusive Ciutat Diagonal in Esplugues de Llobregat. Lamine Yamal's private villa rises like a white gem in the green hills above Barcelona, where palm-lined streets lead only to homes of the elite. Once owned by Gerard Piqué and Shakira, the property now carries a new spirit. youthful, calm, and full of promise, much like Yamal himself. He purchased the estate on October 28, 2025, after 3 months of discreet negotiation for an estimated 11 to 14 million euros, a fitting price for Spain's youngest football prodigy. Spread across 4,000 square meters, the residence is a complex of 3 interconnected houses, including 2 main buildings of 869 and 371 square meters, linked by white stone walkways framed by cypress trees. A green-covered gate opens into a sunlit courtyard, so quiet one can hear the wind brushing through the bougainvillea. Stepping through the glass doors reveals an open-plan living area bathed in Mediterranean light. White walls and pale oak floors blend seamlessly, while a low ivory sofa and glass coffee table anchor the calm. On the walls hang abstract Catalan artworks, subtle traces of culture and modernity. It's here that Yamal welcomes close friends and family, trading stadium noise for soft laughter and unguarded moments. The kitchen and dining space form the villa's heart. Designed with Italian minimalism, it features a 10-seat wooden dining table glowing beneath suspended glass lights, built-in cabinetry, dual ovens, a wine cellar, and a sleek central island. Beyond the dining area lies the lounge and leisure zone, once Shakira's recording studio, now set to become a personal creative space. The lower level holds a pristine white billiard room, a cozy library, and a private cinema, each space reflecting his balance between focus and fun. His private gym, overlooking the garden through floor-to-ceiling glass, doubles as a meditation retreat where sunlight and silence fuel recovery after long matches. Upstairs, the master suite embraces peace. A low bed dressed in crisp white linen faces garden views, while soft beige rugs and silver accents exude understated sophistication. The ensuite bathroom, designed like a spa, includes a square soaking tub, twin mirrors framed in silver, and orchids resting on marble. Not ostentatious, just serene. Outside, the twin swimming pools shimmer in jade hues, surrounded by teak decking, white lounges, and towering palms. A mini outdoor bar and dining terrace glow with hidden floor lighting, creating an atmosphere made for Barcelona's golden evenings. Yamal plans to add a tennis court, mini football pitch, and rehabilitation studio, transforming the estate into a private training resort designed for an athlete's rhythm of life. Security matches the luxury. Multi-layered surveillance, thermal cameras, 3-meter hedges, and an automatic gate protect the property. Soon, facial recognition systems and 24/7 guards will ensure complete privacy. Family first. 3 homes, 3 hearts. The first home Yamal ever bought wasn't for himself. It was for his grandmother in Rochafonda, Mataró, the woman who raised him when football was just a dream. Her house is small, sunlit, and surrounded by lemon trees with a cozy living room filled with family photos and the soft scent of Moroccan spices drifting from the kitchen. She still cooks the same traditional dishes that once nourished him as a boy. Every weekend, Yamal drives back to visit her, away from the noise of fame, sitting in the little garden where she tells him, "Never forget your roots." He often calls her his greatest inspiration, the beating heart behind the number 304 he celebrates after every goal. A few kilometers away, along Mataró's tranquil coastline, stands the modern apartment Yamal bought for his mother and younger brother Kane. Bright and elegant, the 120 square meter home overlooks the sea with 2 bathrooms, a private garage, and a calm green view that feels like an embrace. His mother, Sheila, still works part-time and keeps life simple. Yamal visits often, helping Kane with schoolwork or sharing quiet dinners as the sun sets over the Mediterranean. In an interview with La Vanguardia 2025, he said, "Buying a home for my mom felt incredible. It has everything she ever dreamed of. The apartment isn't just comfort, it's gratitude made real." And in the heart of Barcelona, Yamal gave his father a penthouse in Example, one of the city's most elegant districts. The 180 square meter residence opens to a breathtaking view of Gaudi's Casa Batlló, an everyday reminder of art, ambition, and legacy. The building features a gym, pool, and 24-hour security upgraded after an incident last year. Inside, Yamal's room is simple but full of meaning. A PS5 on the shelf, his Euro 2024 medal on display, and the scent of his father's cooking drifting from the kitchen. 3 homes, 3 hearts, each one a reflection of love before luxury. In every key he hands over, Yamal isn't just providing shelter. He's building a circle of gratitude, grounding himself in the family that shaped his rise. Net worth and income, the fortune of a teenage prodigy. Now, the question everyone's asking, what's Lamine Yamal's net worth in 2025? According to reports, his estimated net worth is between $8 and $10 million and growing fast. At just 18, Lamine Yamal stands not only as a football prodigy, but as one of the youngest millionaires in the sport. With an estimated net worth of $8 million, his rise isn't built on excess. It's built on vision, timing, and quiet power. Nearly 80% of his income doesn't come from the pitch, but from the value of his name, a rare combination of youth, authenticity, and global appeal. Adidas was the first to see it, signing him to a record-breaking $34 million deal over 10 years, paying around $3 to $4 million annually and making him the youngest ambassador in the brand's history. That partnership opened the floodgates. Oppo, Beats by Dre, Konami eFootball, and Powerade each aligned their image with his energy and focus. Together, these collaborations bring in over $6 million a year, proving that charisma, when authentic, is as bankable as talent. His salary at Barcelona, lucrative endorsement deals with Nike, and potential brand partnerships have made him one of the highest-earning teenagers in world football. Then came the defining moment. His FC Barcelona contract in May 2025, valued at $18.2 million per season with performance bonuses that could add another $8 million. It's secured until 2031, protected by a staggering $1.1 billion release clause, signaling that Barcelona sees him not as potential, but as legacy. Add his social media influence, more than 10 million followers generating about $400,000 annually, and Yamal's yearly income now exceeds $25 million. His market value is already estimated at over $100 million, making him one of the most valuable players of his generation. And remember, this is just the beginning. Yet despite the numbers, there's no sign of extravagance. He still moves with the calm of someone raised on humility, a teenager turned global icon who understands that true wealth isn't what you spend, but what you build. Romance rumors, the girlfriend question. And yes, fans are obsessed with his personal life too. The villa is soon set to become the setting for quiet dinners with Nicki Nicole, the Argentine singer who will share this home with him. While Yamal keeps it private, rumors of a young romance have surfaced with the talented musician, but nothing officially confirmed yet. For now, it's football first, everything else second. When it comes to family and relationships, Yamal remains deeply connected to his roots. He often credits his parents for keeping him grounded and focused. Unlike many young athletes who lose themselves in fame, Lamine stays humble, something Barcelona fans absolutely adore. Conclusion: a legend in the making. What truly makes Lamine Yamal different is his balance between the spotlight and simplicity. He's ambitious yet humble, confident yet respectful, a blend of new age swagger and old school discipline. By 2025, Yamal isn't just Barcelona's hope. He's a global brand in the making. And if he keeps his focus, he might just be the player who carries Barcelona back to its glory days. From the streets of Mataró to the Camp Nou lights, Lamine's story proves that dreams do come true, no matter how young you are. For all his global fame, Yamal's world remains wonderfully small, a teenager who found balance between dreams and roots, between the noise of the game and the peace of home. Lamine Yamal's story is a symbol of calm strength in a turbulent world, proof that greatness can blossom quietly, guided by love, discipline, and purpose. The kid who watched Messi is now walking in his footsteps. This is the rise of a legend in real time. The life of Lamine Yamal,